Hello students, good morning. We have started this lesson The Tiger King. The Tiger King written by Kalki. We have read that this is the story of a king. When he was born, there was a prediction that he will die. And when 10 days old boy asked the astrologers how or in which manner his death will come. So astrologers predicted that death will come from tiger. So that 10 days old boy decided immediately and he said, let tigers beware. It means tigers should be beware, means alert, because now he had decided that all the tigers will be killed. After that, Crown Prince Junjung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. Yes, Crown Prince Junjung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. Means daily he was growing taller and stronger. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. No other miracle happened in his life. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, and this boy, because this was a royal boy, he was born in the house of a king. That's why the boy drank the milk of an English cow, not Indian cow. Was brought up by an Indian nanny. Nanny means nurse. Nurse. So he was brought up by an English nurse, English woman, tutored in English by an Englishman, and he was taught English by an Englishman, saw nothing but English films, and he saw nothing but only English films, exactly as the crown princes of all other Indian states did, because the same thing all the crown princes were doing in all the Indian states. When he came up at 20, the state which had been with the coat of wards until then came into his hands, and at the age of 20, uh, he started going to the court and he became a member of the court, and then he became king of Pratibandhapuram. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer prediction. In the state, in the whole state, everyone, every person still remember that prediction of astrologer. What was that prediction? That he will die and death will come from tiger. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ears. So now that boy, that prince was Maharaja Pratibandhapuram. Everyone was talking about it, and this discussion came into the ears of Maharaja. There were innumerable forests in the Pratibandhapuram state that had tigers in them. The Maharaja knew the old saying, you may kill even a cow in self-defense. There could certainly be no objection to killing tigers in self-defense. Maharaja had heard there are old saying that in self-defense you may kill a cow, even a cow. So when you can kill even a cow in self-defense, so why not to kill a tiger in self-defense? So as a self-defense you may kill tiger. So Maharaja started out on a tiger hunt. Then Maharaja started tiger hunting. The Maharaja was thrilled beyond measure when he killed his first tiger. He sent for the state astrologer and showed him the dead beast. Maharaja was thrilled and he killed his first tiger. He sent the carcass or dead body of tiger to the astrologer and asked, what do you say now? He demanded. Maharaja asked, what do you say now? Maharaja asked to the astrologer, your majesty may kill 99 tigers in exactly the same manner. But the astrologer drawled, but what? Speak without fear. Astrologer said, Maharaja, you may kill 99 tiger in the same manner, there will not be any problem. But, so Maharaja asked, but means what? Tell without fear. He says, but you must be very careful with the 100 tiger. Astrologer says, tiger number 100, you must be very careful with tiger number 100. What if the 100 tiger were also killed? So Maharaja says, suppose I kill 100 number tiger, 100 tiger, then what will you say? Then I will tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them. And astrologer says, if it happens and you kill 100 tigers, then I will tear up all my books on astrology. Means I will tear me to break all the books on astrology and set fire to them. And Maharaja asked, and I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent. And he said that I will remove my hair. Means I will shave my hair and become an insurance agent. The astrologer finished an incoherent note. Yes, my cut off my tuft. This was very important for priest. So a kind of challenge was given by the astrologer here, that if you happen to kill 100 tigers, then I will tear up my books and set fire on them. And he also said that he will save his hair and become insurance agent. Okay, thank you.